Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video where I put hair paint wax in my hair. I bought a few colors. I have the blue, I bought purple, I have the orange, and I also have the red. Now let me tell you that I am not sponsored by Hair Paint Wax, but I would love to be. So Hair Paint Wax, if you are listening, I would love to be sponsored by you. I am going to apply this in my hair, and it says to use a small to moderate amount of hair color wax and apply to damp hair. So I'm gonna go wash my hair. This right here is an old wash and go, and honestly I don't like it. I don't do wash and goes too often, and yeah, I just don't like how it turned out. So I'm going to paint my hair. I'm excited, I'm nervous, and I'm scared because I know I did that video with the dark and lovely blue hair, but that spray was nothing compared to this hair wax. And I'm honestly scared because I'm not that vibrant person, and this color is about to make me very, very vibrant. So let's get to it. I will be back. I'm gonna go wash my hair and I'll be back and I will show you guys how I put it in. Okay. My hair is freshly washed. I have no products inside of it right now, and I'm going to open up the hair paint wax. I'm gonna go ahead and do the blue. This blue cost me $6.99. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. It really don't have no smell. Yeah, it don't smell bad. So the ingredients are water, wax, beeswax, alcohol, tea extract, castor oil, fragrance. Nothing really bad that I'm seeing. It's a few more that I didn't mention, but I'll list them in my description box. It's nothing really bad that I'm seeing. Again, it says that it is a temporary water-based hair coloring solution for those who want to try a new color every day of the week. Easy to apply and wash out. Offers a strong hold with no damage to the hair. Best used on curly texture hair. Color may vary from person to person depending on hair texture and current hair color. Use a small amount of the color hair wax on damped hair. So again, my hair is wet. I'm gonna wet it some more because I'm gonna style it using my perm rods. I feel like I need some gloves on, but I know I won't be able to touch my the product that I'm gonna put in my hair and then the color. So I'll show you guys when I add the color. And just in case you guys want to know how I do my perm rods, I do have a video listed below in my description box. I completed one side of my hair. The blue is really starting to stick, so I'm gonna show you guys how I do this side. It's just pretty much applying the product. I think I found an easier way to definitely apply the product to all of my hair. Like almost half of the bottle so far. I would say not really half, maybe 1/4, maybe a little bit more than 1/4 that I've used already. So I think now that I only have one side left, I'm gonna go ahead and put more product in because I was afraid that I was gonna run out of product and I was gonna be stuck with some parts of my hair not being blue. So now I have the green light to go ahead and use more. Take the comb and just kind of go through all of my hair. Go through my hair more, and then I just kind of Go through like this. A bit more blue. And just kind of make sure that it's there and just try and squeeze down as good as I can to try and get it all the way through my hair. See me, I have glue everywhere. My hands, it's on my arm, my shoulder, my shirt, the towel, everywhere. But, oh, clearly my forehead. I didn't use the whole bottle, but just about. I definitely think like if I wanted to reuse this, I'll probably be able to do the tips of my hair, but trying to do my entire head, I'm gonna need a whole nother bottle. And also, I'm afraid that my right side is gonna be more bluer than the left side because when I first started out, I wasn't 100% sure how much product I was gonna have left. So I kind of like used it scarcely over here. I feel like I used it pretty good over here, but just not as much as I definitely used over here. So I'm afraid that this side is gonna be more bluer, but we will see. I'm gonna go ahead and let my hair dry, and I will be back once my hair is dry. We're gonna see how wonderful this blue is. Okay, I am back and my hair is dry. I normally air dry my hair, so it took me 2 days for it to completely dry. And now I'm ready to see this wonderful blue hair of mine. Y'all seeing all this? Now that it's dry, you can definitely see it more because when I was first applying it, I could barely tell that it was in there. So I kind of put like maybe a little bit more than I should have, but I'm ready to see this blue hair. I'm gonna have to wash all of these rods. I cannot believe I gotta go to class after this. Like, I'm not ready. It's cute, but blue hair, and I gotta go to class. I'm not ready for people to be staring at me. Oh my goodness, it's really blue. As of right now, there is like some blue flakes falling off on my top and on my neck, but not too bad. Just gonna separate it. Okay, I'm done taking my perm rods. So let me give my honest opinion about the blue hair paint wax. So I like it, and I think I'll definitely do it again, but as you can see, my hands are very blue. My shirt is a very blue, and I mean the counter is blue. Of course, I already knew it was gonna be blue inside of my perm rods. So yeah, I got a lot of blue going on. So what I would advise is that, because like I said, I'm definitely gonna do it again because it's pretty. Summertime is coming. I have 3 more colors, and I definitely think I'm gonna go buy another color. What I would recommend is, as you're doing your hair and as you're taking down your hair, I don't know, maybe you do a braid out, maybe you may do one, maybe you may want to do a perm rod set like I did. And what I would advise is to definitely have some play clothes on. I believe you can like get dressed, fully dressed as you want to once your hair is taken out, but as you're taking the style down, you're gonna be blue everywhere. So you may not want to get your white top dirty for sure, because I actually was gonna put a white top on. So good thing I didn't put a white top on, but just to see how much it really stained my blue top, just to see how much it really stained my black top, it's kind of crazy. I mean, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so as I fluff, let me show y'all. Okay, so it's coming out as I fluff my shirt off, but yeah, you can see that it's on my neck as well. It's actually even on my face. Y'all probably can't really tell, but it's on my face. So yeah, overall, I did enjoy the blue hair paint wax, and I'm definitely gonna do it again. Another thing is, when you see people pictures, some people's hair is very, very blue. Well, I have dark brown hair, and it's a possibility that the Lotta Body setting spray that I use and then the cream that I use on my hair to get a perfect perm rod set, and then I put the blue on, it's a possibility that the blue didn't take as well. But I think it's pretty good. I mean, like I said, I gotta go to class and wasn't trying to have the brightest blue head, but maybe next time I'll try it with a braid out and I won't put any products on it because I just want to see how blue it can get, because it's really blue and it's pretty. I like it. But other than that, yeah, that's just my honest opinion about the blue hair paint wax. I do like it, and I am gonna purchase again. Be cautious that it will be everywhere in your scalp, everywhere. Make sure you don't get it on your little baby hairs. But I think I'm gonna do a video when I wash it out, just to show you guys how easily it washes out with just some shampoo, conditioner, and water. And that's it. Thank you all for watching my video. And if you guys have any comments, don't fail to comment in the comment section. Maybe you guys want to see me try a different color of the hair paint wax. I have the orange. I mean, if you go to their site, which I will link in the description box, they have so many colors. And summertime is coming, so I definitely want to play around. Maybe I would try a pink. I hate pink, but maybe I'll try pink. They just have a lot of cute colors, so definitely check them out. And yeah, that's it. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.